Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add slow and reverb to a project in Capcut. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Capcut. We're going to go ahead and create a project from scratch. And once we have done that, so essentially there's a couple ways of doing this. One is to work from a template, and in that case we can see here in the main menu we've got templates here. We're going to go ahead and select that,
Mr. B.
and you're going to have a variety of templates here that you can choose from. Let's go ahead and find the slowed reverb here. So you could see just by typing in SL we've already got slowed plus reverb showing up, so we can select that there. And then you can just hear with this one, so that'll give you an idea of what the slowed reverb looks like. Then we can hit the plus sign here, and that's going to add the template here to our project. Now, if you want to replace the images here, so it says here 5 clips to be replaced. So if we click on that, then you're going to see that you get this pop-up here, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click through each of these and replace it with whatever the image or video that you want to add there. So we'll go ahead and click that, and I've got an example here we can use. It says the material you're trying to add is too short. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll try something else. Let's see what we got. Let's go ahead and we'll use this one here. And so you could see here that it's actually done 3 out of 5. So we are going to need to do these other 2 as well. And here we have smooth slow-mo that has been applied to these, and you'll get an idea for what that's going to look like. So we need to replace that there, but this is just to give you an idea of how that's going to work within Capcut. Now, if you want to add your own audio and you want reverb to that, you are going to need to use an audio workplace program, a DAW rather, digital audio workplace. And in this case, your best bet, if you don't have one and you want a free one, then you might want to go with Audacity, because Audacity is free and it's pretty decent. So we'll just take a look at Audacity here, and I've already brought in a audio file that we can start working with. And in order to do that, if you have not done that before, you're going to go up to File, you're going to Import, you're going to select Audio, and then from there you're going to need to search through your device in order to find the specific file that you're looking for. I've already done that. I've brought that in here. So how are we going to add the slow and the reverb? Well, if you just right click on the file itself here, the sound wave, then you'll see here where it says change speed. So you can click on that, and then here it says 100%. Let's go ahead and take that just to 90%, but you can modify that to the way that you want. And once you do that, then you'll see that the file is going to adjust accordingly. Now, if you want to add reverb, then here you're going to see this button that says effects. If we click on that, then you'll see here where it says add effect. Then we can select that, and then here under Audacity we have a series of effects that we can play with. Here is reverb, and we're going to go ahead and put that on there. So now we have our reverb, and now we have slowed down our track, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to export it in order to bring that into Capcut. So to do that, we go to File, and then we go to Export Audio, and here you can export it as WAV, or you have a variety of others to choose from. Then you can just click export there. That's going to export to your device, and then you're going to want to come back into Capcut, and if you go to the audio tab here, if you go to the media tab here, and then you go to import, then you can search through your device in order to find that file that you have just exported. And in this case, I'll just use this as an example. Not entirely necessary, but we'll just show you really quick. So if I bring it into my specific drive here that I have designated for music, then I can bring that into my project. Let's go ahead and just use this one here. And we'll bring that down there. And this is just showing you how that works. This is not the specific file that has the slowed and the reverb on it, but that's just to give you an idea of how that's going to work. And then if you're going to be bringing in your own visuals, then you can do that by going to import and then just looking through your computer in order to find the visuals that you're looking for. Otherwise, you can use a template, but if you are, then you're going to be using whatever music is a part of that template, and that's fine. But that's just to give you an idea of how that's going to work. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.